So for this problem, to solve for x from this given equation, so first we need to take the logarithm for both sides. So this becomes log x to the power 3, then log x, then equals log 100x. Then using now the properties of logarithm, the power property, that for log x to the power n, so we can rewrite this as n, then times the log x. So from this equation, using this property, and this is n, so this becomes 3, then log x, then times the log x, then equals for this, using the product property of logarithm, that log x times y, so this is equal to log x plus the log y, so this becomes log 100 in plus the log x. Then to simplify, so this log x times log x, so this becomes 3, then log x to the power 2, then equals this log 100, so this is equal to 2, then plus the log x. Then we need to equate this equation to 0, so we have 3, then log x to the power 2, so transpose to the other side, so this becomes negative log x, transpose to the other side, so this becomes negative 2 or minus 2, then equals 0. Now take note that if we let log x equals n, so therefore this becomes 3 times n to the power 2, because we let log x equals n, then minus, so log x becomes n, then minus 2 equals 0. So we have now this quadratic equation, so we can apply now the quadratic factoring. So for this 3n squared, so the factors, this one is 3n times n, and for this negative 2, so this is 2 times 1. Now since the middle term is negative n, so therefore this becomes negative and this one is positive. So to check now the factors, so we have 2 times n, this one is 2n, and 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3n. So when we add, the sum is negative n. So from these two factors, we need to equate now to 0. So this becomes 3n plus 2 equals 0. Then the other one, n minus 1 equals 0. So since we let log x equals n, so we need to replace n by this log x. So this becomes 3, then log x plus 2 equals 0, and the other one, so this is log x minus 1 equals 0. Then to solve for x, so we have 3 log x equals transpose negative 2. Then we need to divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. So we have now log x equals -2/3. Then from this, we need to rewrite in exponential form. So since log x equals n, so in exponential form, now take note the base is 10. So this becomes 10 to the power n equals x. So this is now the exponential form for log x equals n. So from this, so this is equal to 10 to the power -2/3 equals x. Then to solve for x, so equals, so for this 10 to the power -2/3. So we have 10 to the power, so open parenthesis, -2 divide by 3. So that's -2 divide by 3. So this is equal to 0.215. So x is equal to 0.215. So this is the first value for x. Then from the second factor, so this becomes log x equals, so transpose, so this becomes 1. So again, to rewrite this one in exponential form, so the base is 10. So this is 10 to the power 1 equals x. So therefore, x is equal to +10.